Welcome back to the video. If you are using Android phone, go to your Play Store. Or if you are using iPhone, go to your App Store. On getting to your Android phone Play Store, what you need to do is to click on search right here. Then click on search app again and type Dropbox. Hit on search. Next thing you want to do is going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on here. The next thing you need to do is to click on install. After a successful installation, click on open. And it's going to take you right here. If you are using Dropbox for the first time, you will be asked to sign up. Click on here to sign up. You can either sign up with your Google account, or better still, you can sign up with an email. So in this tutorial, I'm going to simply go ahead and sign up with my Google. Select your Google account. Once you select your Google account, then you will be logging successful into your Dropbox account.